In today's data-driven world, organizations need faster ways to turn raw data into actionable insights. In this video, we'll explore how IBM Cognos Analytics simplifies complex datasets using grouping and summaries to create clearer, insight-driven reports. We'll begin by creating a new report using Cognos Analytics' intuitive reporting experience. Users can choose from a variety of templates and themes to create reports that match their specific presentation needs. From the vast library of curated samples available, covering everything from retail trends to healthcare metrics, we're selecting the retail sample dataset. Now we move into the reporting workspace, where Cognos simplifies report creation using an easy drag-and-drop interface designed for both beginners and advanced analysts. We'll quickly build a structured report by adding product-related fields and pricing information. Next, we'll apply grouping to automatically organize products into logical business categories. This allows users to analyze information more efficiently, uncover patterns faster, and improve report readability for stakeholders across teams. That will then create a summary calculation for wholesale pricing. By automatically generating aggregated insights such as averages, Cognos Analytics helps users move beyond raw data and focus on meaningful performance indicators. Now we switch from page design to page preview to review the structure and appearance of the final report before execution. Finally, we'll run the report to see how grouped data and summaries work together to deliver a cleaner, more insight-driven reporting experience. The report is ready. Built-in navigation and interactive reporting features make it easier for users to explore and consume information at scale. Thank you for watching.